Hi there, families. This is Mrs. Puzzo. I wanted to give you an inside look into my virtual classroom. So this is the screen the students will see on a daily basis. On the board, there will be daily objectives for the students or any class announcements that I have. The easiest way to navigate the virtual classroom, first you can find this on your student's Clever account. You can also get access to this through Symbaloo. From here, make sure to click Present. It makes it much easier to navigate through all the resources. So you can see that it changes from an arrow to a little hand when there is a link connected to it. I will always have the Clever link, Zoom, Seesaw, and Symbaloo links here for you to access. One really cool thing that my virtual library has that is not on anything else is access to audiobooks. Now, Epic is a really awesome resource that has lots of books for students to read. However, it can only be accessed during the school day or it has to be paid for by the family. Therefore, I wanted to provide you another resource of free audiobooks that students can access at home after school hours. So I just want to take a moment to show that to you very quickly. To access that, check out the Captain's Library down here. You're going to click on the Pirate Book. Now, it's going to take you to our very first page of the library. There's actually 4 slides that I have right now that are all filled with different book bins. In each one of these book bins, you can click on the bin and it will take you to a different page. And that page has books from that topic. So for example, if we wanted to go to Magic School Bus, so much fun. Here's Miss Frizzle ready to show you some really cool resources. Again, all you have to do is to click on the book and it'll take you to that book and you'll be able to hear that book. Now, if you need to go back to the table of contents, all you have to do is click table of contents and it'll take you right back to the page you were just at. So let's say I wanted to look at dinosaurs. Oh my goodness, it's a T-Rex. Everybody run! Now, you can see again, all I have to do is click on the books and it will allow that audiobook to play. If you need to go back to the page you were just at, the table of contents, please click that button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, let's say I wanted to learn about music. Lots of different kinds of music stories here for you to engage in. Again, all you have to do is click on the stories and then go back to the table of contents. Now you can see there is a more button down here on the bottom. Again, like I said, this is where you can click on more and it will show you more book bins with plenty more topics for you and your child to enjoy together at home. If you have any questions about my virtual classroom or how to access any of the audiobooks in the library, please feel free to contact me at any time.